Continuing our discussion on noun arguments, in the semantic role labeling. So far, we have been discussing about the verb predicate. In the predicate argument structure for semantic role labeling, we were talking more and more about verb predicate. But the sentence may contain not only a verb predicate but a nominal predicate, which is a noun, and adjective predicate and propositional predicate. But here we'll be talking more about the importance of nominal predicate. Look at the sentence here. A sentence, he complained about the issue. Here the complained is the verb. The same can be converted or can be nominalized into another form where we write he made a complaint about the issue. Now the complaint has become a noun instead of a verb. And here the verb is made. And another sentence, John walked around the college. Here the walked is the verb. But I can take another form, nominalized form. John took a walk around the college. Here the walk is the nominalized form and took is the verb. So this is how the sentence can be nominalized. And here the predicate is made, here the predicate is took, but there is also nominal predicate, complaint, walk. So if the semantic parser, if it ignores these nominal predicates, it will miss the meaning of that. So we need to identify the nominal predicate. Pradhan and this team, they worked on this and they introduced some 5 features for identifying this nominal predicates. So firstly, the first feature is intervening verb features. 3 classes of intervening verbs are used. Number one, verbs of being is he is a teacher. I am a player. So am, is, was, were, are, or this are verbs of being. Then there are light verbs make, take, I will make, I make, I'll make a coffee. I took a walk. I have. So these are light verbs. I will do homework. That do is a light verb. And we have seen that in parts of speech tags, verb base form and third person singular VBZ, all those type of verbs. So the features added with this intervening verb features are the presence of verb between the predicate and the constituent. For example, here there is a predicate and the constituent, and the word between these two. That is a feature. And actual verb word also be taken as a feature. And what is the path from the constituent to the verb through the past tense? The second one, predicate noun phrase expansion rule. So the noun phrase, for example, the decision taken by her. Here, the decision is the predicate, the decision taken by her. This whole, when we consider not only the predicate but all the noun phrases associated with as a group, we say that it is expansion. And that noun phrases, clustering noun phrases with similar internal structure can identify the noun predicates. Then third feature is predicate plural. It is whether it is singular or plural. And fourth one is whether there are any genitives, possessive words. Something like Burmas, the apostrophe here. It indicates the possessive genitive word. So the genitive word acts as subject or object markers for nominal arguments. And verb dominating predicate. The head word of the first verb phrase the first verb phrase ancestor of the predicate. For example, uh, for the for example, the quick decision by the committee or her decision to leave was shocking. And here the predicate was a decision, which is a nominal predicate. And the verb that dominates that predicate decision was. So her decision to leave was shocking. In that statement, decision was predicate and was is the predicate, the verb that dominates the predicate. So these are the features for noun identification.